going on, guys? Daniel Barajas here from my new channel. Also go by Danny. Look, it's very simple. I'm trying to start a career in digital cinematography. And as some of you may know, mostly my close friends, family, know that I'm a veteran. Served one too many years in the military, with the Army to be exact, in the Army Reserves. But as the common statistic, there's a lot of us that come back half, if not less, of how we go into the service. And what I mean is we come out dick the fuck up. It's that simple. We get dicked up. Injuries, digestive, mental health issues, everything. And if you're just like me, I'm part of that statistic. One thing that I've always wanted to do is go on a path of law enforcement. Unfortunately, due to the military and how they've left my body, both internally and physically, can't do it. I've tried different career paths to include electrical work, and my body just can't tolerate it. There were some days where I couldn't stand straight. My feet couldn't bear my weight. It would take roughly 30 minutes before my feet can acclimate and accept my body weight, and then walk on from my bedroom to my living room and start my daily routine before heading out to work to the job sites. And took a long look at myself and knew that this wasn't going to last. It can't last. We only have one body. On top of what the military has already done to our bodies, it takes a little bit more to acknowledge that you've got to take a different path. You have to adjust fire and just go look inside, talk to your loved ones, and consult with them and see what is it that you can do. What other avenues bring joy to you that you can make a career with? And to me, it's always been with my camera. I've always loved photography, but I've always felt I can do more. And now I'm going into the path of cinematography. And with that, I've been blessed with the opportunity to go and apply for the VA's program of the VR&E. Used to be known as Voc Rehab. And I'm going to quickly show you guys what is this beginning process to get your application in for the VR&E. I know it's not typical that many people talk about it. Usually it's like post 9/11, the GI Montgomery bill, yellow ribbon, but not many people really know what to do with the VR&E. I believe it's the chapter 31. I'll double check, but let's go ahead and take a quick look at what goes into it. So when you go to the VA website, if you go to careers and employment, the Veterans Readiness and Employment, chapter 31, also known as the VR&E, you can go to how to apply. If you look at that section there, there's option 1, option 2. Mostly everyone's going to want to do option 1. Now, when you start option 1, it'll give you a couple questions. Are you a veteran, current service member? Neither of these. Did you receive discharge status of honorable other than dishonorable? Click yes, no, however it applies to you, and you have to have received at least 10% or more. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to have to click the view orientation. You guys can read the slides, pause the video if you need it. Up to 48 months of combined VA benefits. These benefits may include training to prepare for a job, professional vocational counseling and training, employment assistance, If you are eligible for VR&E and another education benefit, go ahead and reach out to your vocational rehab counselor. You'll see it a lot in the emails after you apply. It'll be VRC to determine what is the best option for you. So part of the process is complete the orientation, which we're covering right now, and then the application process. Apply for the VR&E benefits. Wheel, I can't stand that term. For us veterans who sign that dotted line on that blank check to serve, and we all know that we don't come back 100%. Most of us come back maybe at best. I would personally guess about 50%, but I can't stand the fact that we let some civilian determine what our outcome is as far as what our ratings are, what benefits we do and don't apply, or qualify for, I should say. But you'll do this application. They'll determine your eligibility and send an appointment letter. They'll schedule an additional appointment with your counselor. They'll do the whole assessment. And it is quite annoying with the amount of information that they request of you, but bear with me. You'll understand that this is a great opportunity for you guys. It's an annoying application process, and just like anything else in the VA, they make it as annoying as possible to discourage you from getting these benefits that are owed to you, that are rightfully owed to you. You'll also have to fill out the VA form 28-1900. And this is what it looks like. It's very simple, straight to the point, asks for basic information, nothing fancy. Just go ahead and fill it out. Again, straight to the point, 1.5 pages, nothing complicated. And that's it. There's not much to it, really, outside of the annoyance for it. But I'm 37 years old, and sometimes I really feel like I haven't done much as far as a career, and my wife has to remind me that I've done a lot and I've attempted a lot. But at the same time, guys, take advantage of the program that we have. Just do it. I know it's annoying, and the most unfair thing of the program is that we let some civilian bureaucrat determine whether or not we are qualified for it. If you guys are fortunate and legitimately do have some type of impairment that prohibits you from maintaining gainful employment, a great career, please just go through the process. I know it's very discouraging, but believe me, it is very beneficial. I have just gone through the process myself. I believe I started in March or April. I can't recall. But I'm starting school tomorrow, August 5th. I will do a follow-up video regarding what I decided to do, what school I chose, why I chose that school, and an in-depth follow through with that program, meaning I'm going to try my hardest, all things given the schooling that's required, try to do a weekly video to track my progress through the school, give you guys some insights of the school, how it's been working out for me and how it hasn't. I'll catch you guys later.